Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. Today we're going to do a great Valentine's heart-shaped dessert pizza with Nutella, ricotta, mascarpone cheese, fresh berries, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. You're going to love this. So here we go. Take your dough and you're going to stretch it out the size of your peel, and then you're going to cut out a heart shape, okay? So if you're good at it, you just do it in one shot, and if not, just give it a little etching, and you can do it that way as well. So here we go. So here's how we're going to do the braids. You're going to cut 3 nice little pieces of dough, nice and even each one. And then I guess you can just start like this. I like to pick them up and do it. That's the way I like to handle them. It makes it easy for me. I grab 3 pieces, and the center one, you're just going to go over the center one every time. Pretty simple. Over the center one, over the center one, over the center one, just like that. See it? Keep them tight. Keep them even so they look nice. Pull them out a little bit. Over. How you do it. Whatever's in the middle gets covered with the other. You can lay it down on the table. You don't have the confidence. And just cover this way, cover that way. Now that we have the heart, now we're going to take our little braids, stretch them out. We want to attach them to the dough. We don't want them to fall off when we're cooking, so we're going to put them on there, and right on the edge, we're going to sort of tack them on. You don't want too much flour on them. You want them to stay on so they're really, really nice. It'll look really cool. See that? You want to push down. So your edges look nice and it looks very professional. Okay. That looks cool. Got your heart ready, and again, you're making sure that your braids are nice and on there. They're not going to come off when you're cooking. They're all packed down. We mix together equal parts of mascarpone cheese, some Nutella, but in this case it's just hazelnut spread. Nutella is a brand name. And some ricotta cheese, equal parts, and we're going to cook it all. And it's going to make it really nice and creamy. You know, Nutella by itself is all right, but it has a tendency to burn. And there's a lot of sugar in it, so I like to add the mascarpone cheese. It's very creamy, and the ricotta, it gives it great body. And you're just going to cover the whole thing really nice. It's a great family project, so you get everybody involved and you have a little fun with it. Okay? I'm going to put a little chocolate chips in there. So now, after we did that, make sure, guys, that you used a lot of semolina and flour, because you want to make sure that this is loose, because it takes time to set it up. So see how it's loose? And you just got to make sure when you're going to put it in, you don't have a mess. All right, so we're going to throw it in the oven, and then we're going to put on our fruit, and it's going to be absolutely... Make sure you're nice and loose. I heated the oven up for a good 35-40 minutes. I let the flame die down. I don't want a lot of fire on this one. And then I put a small piece of wood, and then I'm ready to go. So make sure you don't compromise the shape. Get it in there. And always this way first. See? Not too high the heat, and that looks really nice. The dough is firm, crispy. The chocolate got a little bit on top, but we're gonna put powdered sugar and make this thing look beautiful. All right, so she cooked really nice, and the chocolate chips did melt in there, by the way, and that's okay. Now we're gonna decorate it with some fresh fruit. We have strawberries. We hit those with a little bit of powdered sugar. We'll let those sit for a bit, and then I'm gonna use fresh berries, and it's gonna be absolutely incredible. So here we go. Oh yeah, so we're gonna put some fruit all over this and make this look beautiful. Ta-da! Now that looks absolutely incredible. Okay, so there you go, guys. We have a beautiful berry dessert pizza. Something your family's gonna love. Great job, the family pitched in here today. It's a nice little project, real easy to do and absolutely tastes wonderful. So happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Enjoy your day.